Welcome back. This video is a bit more interesting because with most AI debugging tools, we usually start by finding an error and collecting some logs while also checking some metrics. This approach works well for straightforward or simpler issues. But when a production failure occurs, there is rarely a single obvious cause. So the key question is, what does the agent already know about your system before it starts looking into it? That is where code context comes in. When we connect our GitHub repository using the integrations, it doesn't just look at your files, it scans your entire repository structure. So it tracks how things are organized, what is used, and saves this as codebase context. This information is automatically linked to our APM, ArgoCD, and Kubernetes setups. You can see here, this is the repository context page for each connected repository. DrDroid agents create context documents, and we can view them here. Each document explains what the service does, its structure, and its dependencies. The agent builds this by scanning the whole repository. If we need details about the prototype service, we can see exactly what DrDroid knows about it. This is helpful during installation. It shows features, main capabilities, architecture, and how everything fits together. This is also what we use during an investigation. So, code context isn't isolated. It gets linked to the infrastructure layer, as you can see here. It connects to the infrastructure layer and the object stack. What matters here is that the agent already knows which repository corresponds to which service calls which other service, and where in the codebase an issue is likely to come from. So it doesn't have to figure this out from scratch when something goes wrong. Let me show you an example. Ops Genie pages from our prototype service are arriving more than 10 minutes late. Some users report receiving alerts after the incident already started, and some are missing them entirely. So we need to find out what is slowing down alert routing and identify the root cause. So the system starts by scanning all the assets we have connected through tools. It then identifies alerts from those assets, which are stored using memory and the knowledge graph. All of this flows directly into trace analysis, which already knows the service, its dependencies, and its recent code changes. Due to this, it finds the correct root cause with the context it has. Most agents start with no information. They get an alert and begin learning about the system from scratch. But we are different. We already know about your code, infrastructure, and everything in between. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.